Hello guys, welcome to my channel Flavors of Arpita. Today I am going to make a protein salad which will be rich in high protein. It will be very high because I will be using every protein ingredient which is veg also and non-veg also I will be using. So I will be using one special ingredient in this that I will tell you while I will be telling you about the ingredients during cooking. So at that time I will introduce you to that special ingredient, and I hope you all will like it. It is very healthy and it will help you to lose weight. The persons who are looking for weight loss breakfast, there are several people who tend to have something in breakfast which will help them keep fuller till lunch, and which will help them at the same time to lose weight. So I think this will help you in that matter, because you guys don't know, I am also into weight loss thing. So that's why I thought of making this. It will help you as well. So just see the recipe and comment down below to let me know if there is any any part that you liked most, or any part which you didn't like, or any ingredient which you didn't understand, you want to know about its nutritional value or anything like that. So just comment down below, and also like and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's go and quickly make this unique high protein weight loss salad for breakfast. Let's start with the ingredients. So first I have used onions, which is finely chopped, and next I have used finely chopped green chilies, which is chopped in big, and then the special ingredient, which is tuna fish. I have already discussed with you about the special ingredient. So this is the special ingredient which contains omega-3 fatty acid, protein and calcium, which is good for bone health and also good for teeth, and also it helps in weight loss. Next I have used black chana, which is pre-boiled already, and next I have used mixed sprout, which is also pre-boiled. Mixed sprout contains chana sprout, then mutton sprouts and green gram sprouts also. Next I have used sweet corn over here, which is also pre-boiled. Sweet corn, sprouts, then chana, all are pre-boiled, and the tuna fish is slightly fried in oil. It comes in oil only, packed in oil, so it is fried in oil. And next I have used for seasoning Italian seasoning, which comes in this grinding jar. And after Italian seasoning I have used over here black pepper, which also comes in this grinding jar. And next I have used salt to taste, and after that I have used oil. You can use oil, ghee, butter, anything of your choice. I have used 2 tablespoons of oil. If you are going to use oil, then you do not have to use more than 2 tablespoons of oil, otherwise it will be unhealthy. So now I will on the stove and gas stove, and I will put the pan, the karai, for heating. So let's on the gas and place the pan for heating, and after that I will put oil. So I have put the karai for heating. So once it is heated, the pan, I will put 2 tablespoons of oil over here. Okay, so now I am putting over here 2 tablespoons of oil. After putting the oil, I will put the chopped onions first. So you all can see over here, I am putting the oil right now. So I have put the oil. It is approximately 2 tablespoons, not more than that. So let the oil heat first. As you can all see that the oil has already been heated. So Now I will put the chopped onions over it. So firstly I will put the chopped onions. So I can see the oil is already heated. Now I am putting the chopped onions. You should fry the onions, not golden brown fry, but you should fry the little, so that the raw taste goes away from the onions. So you have to fry it a little. So let's fry it a little. You have to saute it and fry it a little. So as you can see, I have put all the onions in the pan, and now I am frying it a little with the help of any spoon or any spatula. You can fry it a little. So after frying the onions for about some time, then you will put the green chilies. So let's see. As you all can see, the onions are almost fried. So now we will put the green chilies on it. Okay, the onions are sauteed well, and it is soft also, and it has been fried also a little. You do not have to fry it more, just this much is okay. Now I am putting the green chilies that is chopped already. So as preference, as you prefer chili, you can put 1 or 2 green chilies to taste. I have put over here 2 green chilies chopped. So you can put more green chilies, or you can put green chilies and also chili paste, or red chili mixed. So I do not prefer too much chili, so I have put only 2 green chilies over here according to my taste. And after that, as you can see, I have put the black chana boiled over it, and I will saute it for about a minute. So I am sauteing it up for about a minute, not more. You have to fry it, you have to fry it only a little. We have to fry it only a little. As you can see, I am frying it. Just a little you have to fry, so that the rawness goes away. After frying the brown chana, then I am putting the sweet corn first. So you have to fry the sweet corn a little, because it is boiled. So only boiled sweet corn, it will not taste so good. So if you fry the sweet corn a little, if you prefer to fry the sweet corn, you can fry, otherwise you can put it raw also, but I prefer a little bit fry sweet corn. So I put the sweet corn over here, and I will not fry, you can say I will saute it a little, just about 1 minute I will saute it, so that it becomes it is soft already, but it will become a little soft, and it will become a little crunchy. So that's why I have put it for saute till 1 minute. And after sauteing the sweet corn, I will put all the sprouts. So boiled sprouts, everyone do not like boiled sprouts, so they like little means crunchiness which comes after sauteing the sprouts. So I will put the sprouts in it now. So all the sprouts I will use, it is already pre-boiled, so I am putting all the sprouts in it. I will mix the sprouts with all this. As you can see, it is looking so much colorful because I am using every color ingredients over here. So it is as colorful as it will be tasty also, and you will love to have it. You can have it in the breakfast if you prefer, you can have it in the lunch, you can have it in the dinner as well, but I will suggest that do not have this salad in the dinner, because after sunset, because as it is high in protein, so it will be much difficult for you guys to digest. So I will prefer not to have it in dinner. So it's better if you have it in breakfast, or else you can have it in lunch also. So I am mixing all the ingredients together. So just see how colorful it is looking, just see it, it's so much colorful, what to say. So just saute it, do not fry it, but saute all the ingredients for about 1 minute. After putting each ingredients, you have to saute it for about 1 minute, not more than that, so that it becomes little tender and little crunchiness comes in it. So you have to saute it for 1 minute. I am telling you again and again, do not fry the ingredients, otherwise it will burn and the taste will become very bad, and you guys will not like it after frying. So just saute all the ingredients for about a minute. So here I have saute all the ingredients for about a minute. Now I am going to season it. So first I will put salt according to your taste. You have to put salt. Some people prefer very low salt in salad, so you can put very low salad in salt if you prefer that, or else you can put it according to your taste. So minimum salt that is required, you have to put it. So here I am putting about seeing all the ingredients, the quantity, I am putting it about 1 teaspoon of salt over here, not more than that. So I am mixing the salt with all the ingredients. As you can see how beautiful, how colorful it is looking. Its taste is really awesome. So you will love it actually. It is so much fulfilling that you will not feel hungry anymore until lunchtime. You will not feel hungry. So it is truly fulfilling. And right now I am using seasoning, another seasoning, that is I will use right now pepper. First I will use the pepper over here. As you can see, I am putting it this paper comes in a grinding jar, so you need not grind the paper previously. So you can just squeeze the jar and you can grind the paper over here only, and you can put it. This is also according to your taste. All the seasoning is according to your taste. Now I will put the Italian seasoning herb. It is optional, you may put or you may not put, but I prefer Italian seasoning in this salad because there is not much seasoning to be added. So if you put the Italian seasoning over here, then it tastes little good. So I prefer Italian seasoning in my salad. So not much, just you have to give a spoon or teaspoon or a tablespoon, as according to your taste. Again I am telling you, all these are according to your taste. If you like Italian seasoning, you can put. If you don't like, you may not put. So I have put the Italian seasoning and I have mixed it. Now I am putting the tuna fish in this. You will put tuna fish at the end and mix it with all the ingredients. I am putting it at the end because it is already pre-fried and you have to fry it a little more, not up till golden brown, but you have to fry this fish a little bit. It comes in a jar with oil in it, so you don't have to put much oil while frying. So you have to fry it a bit more and keep it aside, and then at last you have to mix it with the salad. So as you can see, my all the ingredients are ready. The salad is almost ready. I have mixed all the ingredients. I have seasoned it with salt, Italian seasoning, and also black pepper. And now I have already switched off the gas, so the salad is ready and I am now serving it in a plate. Let's see how I am serving it. Let's go. So I am serving it in a plate. You can serve it in a bowl also, as you like. So here I am serving it in a plate. It will be for one person only. I am serving it in a plate. So let's see. I love this salad so much, and I hope you guys also will love this salad. Do comment me below if you love this salad recipe. And see, at last I am putting some lemon juice in it. It brings a tangy taste in the salad. So lemon is actually very good for your health also, and it brings a unique taste in your salad. So I am squeezing like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it, and I am mixing it. Now I am decorating it with some green chilies. And here I am putting, it's for me, I am putting roasted seeds, 3-in-1 roasted seeds. This I have bought from the market. So I am putting this. It consists of several seeds mixture. Here you will find flax seeds, then pumpkin seeds and all, lotus seed, and everything mixed. So you can put it to, if you want to make it more healthy, you can put it about 1 teaspoon. You can spread it over your salad and you can put it and have it. If you like the seeds, you can put it. I basically like it, so I like to put the seeds because it makes more healthy.